This new train, this is a prototype that I'm half on and half off at the moment. The train itself is level with the station platform, and when the train stops, the doors open automatically and there's a sliding step that comes out. But when I say step, it does not have a difference in level. So that means that I can just turn up and go the same as anybody else. And I've never been able to do that in this city before. So it's really, really helpful. It makes my life much easier. It means I can be more independent and not reliant on anybody else. The new trains take account of the way that people actually lead their lives. So there's a wheelchair space, which is great for me. There's a space for people to leave bikes, which is great for cyclists. There's room for buggies, so people with children in buggies are taken account of. There's more space for luggage as well. There's more space in the aisles between the seats, so if I need to go along the carriage to get to my wheelchair space, I can do that. The design of them is much, much better than the old train.